We propose an approach for embodied data exploration of multidimensional data set in an immersive environment. The IEEE Vast Challenge 2019 dataset is used to apply visual analytics. The task of the challenge is to help a city grapple with the aftermath of an earthquake that damages its nuclear power plant. We specifically focus on the first part of this challenge, which deals with visual analysis of crowdsourced data about the different kinds of damages citizens observed during the course of the disaster, such as sewers, roads, and bridges. In order to visualize the spatial dimension of the dataset effectively, we leverage the geographical map of the region. Each record in the dataset provided by citizens is associated with the location from which it originated and the time at which it was received. Further, each corresponding pair of neighborhoods on the two maps are connected with each other by a line plot displaying temporal information. In order to show a more detailed and segregated view of the data, coordinated multiple views of the individual data variables are shown. One of them is a scatter plot placed on the floor map plot. It shows a region-wise aggregate of all reported values for a variable, shake intensity, for a given timestamp. The data sphere with the largest value on the floor is emitting the sound, and the volume of the sound is proportional to the size of the data sphere. We show 3D bar charts on a map plot for each region in the map.
Show bar chart.
Multiple 3D bar charts are aligned in a direction normal to the map plot plane, leveraging the 3D space as compared to a 2D plot. The sound of flowing water is emanating from the center of the CMV. In another scatter plot,
Show scatter plot.
we plot one variable from the dataset, that is power. This CMV emits the sound of a siren. All the CMVs are linked with each other. We introduce a slicing plane to select an instant of time. Using the slicing plane, we can navigate the time axis and view specific reports at that timestamp. A sine wave is emanating from the slicing plane, and the pitch of the sound attached to the slicing plane depends on the sum of all values at a given timestamp. To hide a CMV, we use hide commands such as hide scatterplot.
Hide scatter plot.
We can interactively select some of the data items in one view. This is called brushing. A histogram chart shows the aggregate data for the brush regions on the floor plot.
Show histogram.
If a user selects a data sphere on the floor view, its color toggles, and the color for all elements corresponding to the same region in other linked CMV also toggles. If there are no brush regions, it may not show anything. We can scale the entire visualization to a smaller size and also make it the size of the room to focus on the details. At larger scales, when the entire plot is not in the field of view, sound spatialization plays an important role by attracting the attention of the user towards the critical region. Thank you.